What is going on? It's Wilson, and I'm back with another video. I know I've been out for a while, but I've been getting a lot of requests for just like, hey, continue making your stock trading videos, your crypto trading videos. So I'm back with another one, and in this video, I want to cover why you should always buy dips and pretty much what you need to expect when it comes to buying dips and some of the things that you need to be aware of. So we all have heard of the saying called buy dips, right? Like buy at low, sell at high. That's how we make profit, right? Every trader wants to do this. Everyone that's investing in stocks, whether you're a long-term holder or a short-term trader or a day trader, that's what you want to do. You want to buy at the lows. But what's the hardest part about buying at lows? Well, you don't know the entry point. So that's always the hardest part. Do you know what if the stock continues to drop slowly? Tesla is a really great example of this. So my approach to buying dips, especially, so I did buy into Tesla, I did buy into Facebook's dip, and the reason why I did it is not because I know it's going to come back up, is because I know these companies. Like, these are the companies that I always trade, and one thing that I know for sure is that they have really good management, right? They put up really good numbers in earnings. They do really well. Everything from the outside looks positive, but they get some sort of bad news that drops the stock down like crazy, right? For Facebook, it was the data breach, and then Tesla just took a big plummet. And what you want to do is that you want to take advantage of these dips if you're positive that the company has good management, has that they can turn things over, and they have a good long-term vision. So, for example, if Amazon dropped due to some sort of bad news, I would buy in right away. I mean, I wouldn't like go right in, but what I'll do is I'll look for that good entry point. I'll monitor for a couple of days, and as soon as it starts to go back up towards that uptrend, that's when I want to get back in. So a lot of times it's just looking at the chart, right? So if you look at the past history, you see it always trades above 300. And Elon Musk takes over. He's my idol. You know, I know he is a long-term vision guy. He's probably not going to give any type of media, any type of news that says, hey, tomorrow I'm going to do this that's going to change Tesla around. No, he's not going to do that. He's going to tell you what he's going to do in 5 years, what he's going to do in a year, what he's going to do in 2 years, and it's more of a long-term vision that we have to listen to. So as soon as you see a big dip like this, and you know the stock always trades above 300, you want to get in. But I wouldn't get in at the lowest point, even though that's the best point that you want to get in at 245. What I like to do is I like to see this upward trend, and I like to see it going back up, and then I want to get it. So because I know it's going to go back higher to the 300 range, right? So for me, what I actually got in at was at 260. So roughly around right here, and as you can tell today, it's just been going back up. After hours have been crazy, and as well as the trading hours, it's been going back up, and it went right back up above 300. Now let's take a look at Facebook, which is another one where I bought the dip. So Facebook took a really big hit from that whole data breach thing, and it just plummeted, it dropped. For me, I knew I was going to buy this dip. I know Facebook is releasing all these new stuff, marketplaces, the revenues are always going to be high, they're running into earnings. It's just going to be a very good stock to look into, to trade back at its normal levels, or possibly even higher, right? Mark Zuckerberg's good. He didn't react the best way, but you know, that's just my personal opinion to the data breach. But anyway, so I wouldn't buy when it's still dropping. I never buy when it's still dropping when I buy dips, right? What I like to do is I like to see this upward trend come back up first. So I see that it's going up and down, and I know they're going to run into earnings soon. So that's when I took in the advantage and I bought the dip just for that quick profit, right? Do I believe it's going to go higher? Yes, I believe it will. I believe it will continue to go higher. Now, another thing that I'm looking into is, you know, I'm a heavy cryptocurrency and Bitcoin trader. So Bitcoin's been taking a big hit as well, right? Not loading it. See, BTC. All right, so Bitcoin's been taking a really big hit lately as well, and this is the perfect time just for anyone to just get into it and buy the dip. You know, I believe the market's going to recover. It always goes up and down. You can trade this 24 hours a day. This is something that I will be always looking to buy into dip. Of course, to buy one Bitcoin at $7,000, that's just a bit too expensive. But if this was a stock like Facebook or like Tesla, where the price is in the hundreds range, is definitely something to look into. So a quick recap for you guys: when you're looking to buy dips, always wait for that upward trend. Second, do your research on the company. Are they legit? You know, do they have good management in place? Will they do good on earnings? Is it a good product that you believe in, that the community uses, or the people that use it? Can we expect good results in the long term? When you do all those research and you see that they're slowly recovering from some stupid news, then that's the perfect time to buy the dip and take your profits when it gets high up. So that's just my quick video for you guys. Again, at any time, you guys can follow me on Twitter at iswilson8, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.